This video is more for Nugget. So, those of you who happen to be watching, whatever, you get to see. Nugs, I got the power line is in. Oh, sorry, let me go this way. We got the adapter. I will probably mount this to the trailer. And as you can see, we go from a 4 to a 7. Okay? And then, dude, this new trailer is badass, dude. There are lights everywhere. You got, look at this. We got these lights that are over here. We got lights up there, lights down there. Actually, the funny thing is, they're not really showing that well on the camera. I put the hazards on, give me an idea, but we got the red lights back there. You get the red all the way across. Like when we were, when the guy was towing it, none of these things were even on. As you can see, you have a little red marker that is in the corner right here. You have a red on the back and a yellow on the other side. Again, amazing little uppity doos to this trailer. Yeah, that's pretty effing cool. And yeah, I'm gonna put down some kind of rubber stuff down on the floor so that the gear doesn't slide around. And it's a lot of room in here. This is as big as a bedroom. Like some people's apartments are about this size. But pretty wild. All right, so there's your update, Nugget. Like I said, this is gonna be fun seeing go down the road at night with all these lights. So, all right. That's my Tuesday update. Oh, there's FedEx. All right, bye everyone.